Hello, here we are to treat how to make friezes and tilings. For this we use the translation tool, the mirror tool and the rotational tool. If we have a motif, we are going to start with a triangle and we defined a parallel or a translation direction. Then we open the optional button and we mark. Here we choose the number of copies. Select the line or the two vertices and a point of the figure. And you see change in real time. For mirrors, we have this option. And if we have a mirror, this could be a mirror. And here a figure. Let's open a cube. Then we touch first the mirror and then a point of the cube. And this gives us a mirror image. Also touch a point and another point of the cube, and this will give you a central image. Here you see the mirror image and here a central. And also you can touch an edge or axis and a point of the figure to reflect, and here we have axial symmetry. This corresponds to a rotation of angle 180 around this axis. And finally, we are going to consider the rotational symmetries. Here we choose the number of copies, 6, and then the angle, 360. Choose one less, because the original copy counts. So for instance here we will have a rotational symmetry of angle 60. Let's see. We choose an axis of rotation and a figure, and then we touch the axis and then a point of the figure. And this will give us a 6-fold symmetry. For painting, here in the pencil we can choose this option. Paint the original copy, original figure, it will paint the rest. And we further choose this option, then we'll paint the whole figure. Similarly for translations and mirror symmetries. We also have another interesting option here in figure settings, and this is the mosaic mode. The mosaic mode will allow you to improve your original figure. You join and it will create this line. You want to add a triangle, we'll add a new triangle, you see? So this is the mosaic mode, and it works with the rotational symmetries and also with the mirror symmetries. Thank you for your attention.